and software, and clearly US was the place to go at that time. And most of our classmates were also going, and we had a good stream of IIT seniors who had already been there, who were already there and who had visited also. So I was pretty excited. I was looking forward to the trip. I went to Bloomington, Indiana, which is where I did my master's degree first, and then I stayed on for a PhD. In the US, especially during grad student days, the professors actually give you a lot of room to experiment and they are very updated on what's happening in the area. So we were studying a lots of research papers and articles that were being published in that week of soon thereafter. The other good thing about this system in the US is that there is a lot of flexibility. You can choose subjects that you like, and there is a lot of emphasis and encouragement to take subjects that are beyond your main line as well. The universities are also fairly research oriented, and all the faculty members were very keen to work with each other. We had a fairly small department in Indiana, and it was a very good department, and I had a very good time interacting with not only my advisor but also other faculty members at Indiana. And we used to have a good set of lectures, colloquiums, good visitors coming in. So overall it was a very good experience of learning lots of different things, getting aware of different communities. There were lots of international students. Got a good chance to see international culture, how students behave with each other, and a good experience of Midwestern American life.
विदेश में आनंद की मुलाकात मिस्टर डर्क वैंगो से हुई, जो आनंद के प्रेरणा स्रोत बने और उन्होंने ही आनंद को सफलता का मार्ग दिखाया.
I was able to find an advisor very early in my second year. My advisor, who was not that much older than me, he was just 3 years older than me. He had joined the department and he was working in an area, in the database area, which was of interest to me. His name is Dirk Van Gogh. In 1987, my advisor helped me get a paper accepted. We wrote one together, and that was accepted at a conference in Germany. This conference was pretty unique in some ways. It was one of the first conferences on nested relations and complex objects. It was a new field in databases that was happening at that time. I was able to get some good visibility during that conference and made good friends.
पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद आनंद ने ह्यूलेट पैकार्ड में नौकरी करनी शुरू की.